Today I'm going to show you how to draw snowflakes with markers. This is an easy beginner drawing lesson for kids of all ages, so let's begin. Hi everyone, welcome to Rain Francis Art for Kids. My name is Rain. In this series, Christmas Party, we paint and draw everything that has to do with Christmas and the holidays, so let's have some fun. This is what you'll need for today's drawing. You're going to need a piece of paper. I have my dollar store drawing pad here. And today we're going to do things a little differently. We are only going to be using markers. We're not going to be using a pencil and an eraser or a fine-tipped black marker. We're just going to be using markers. Now I have 4 different blues here and I have a black. If you only have 1 or 2 different blues or even one blue color, that's perfectly fine. I'm just going to use a whole bunch of different ones, and I want to use the black marker too. Okay, so why don't I start? I'm going to draw a little snowman because we're going to be drawing snowflakes, and the way I'm drawing my snowflakes is you can't really put a face on them, and I like to put a face on all of my drawings. So we're just going to go right ahead with the marker and draw a snowman, and the snowman is easy. A snowman is 1 circle, a bigger circle, and then a big circle. And we'll just do 2 little eyes like this, and a mouth with dots like that. Draw a line on top, and a circle, and we'll fill in that circle, and that looks like his hat. This is an easy way to do a snowman. And we'll give him a scarf, so just a little line here. There's his scarf, maybe a little nose too, and we'll give him some buttons. 1, 2, 3 buttons. Now that's it for our snowman, and the snowman isn't the star of the show. He's just there for the face. So now let's take our blue color, and I'm going to show you how to make snowflakes, okay? And we're going to do a whole bunch of them, but I'll show you first of all how to do it. Draw a little circle like that, and then we're going to put a cross through it. Try to make it even though, okay? And then an X through it, okay? An X like this, and then there we go. Now that's the beginning part of the snowflake. Now at the top of each line, we're going to draw a plus sign. So watch. Plus sign, plus sign, plus sign. You get the idea. Plus signs. Okay? And through those plus signs, we're going to draw an X. Watch. X, like that, through each one, right through the plus sign. Okay, now along the lines here, we're going to draw V's, the letter V, watch, V, V. On every other one, we're going to put 2. Okay? And on the ones in the middle, we're just going to put 1. Just so it's not too crowded. There you go. And that is your snowflake. And there's another way of doing snowflakes too. I'll take a different blue for this one. We could just do an X, like that. And at the end of each X, we'll draw a little circle. And a circle in the middle. And some V's. 2 V's on each line. Okay, and that's another way of doing a snowflake. I like this one better, but sometimes we can do little ones. So I'm just going to keep drawing some snowflakes, little ones like this and big ones like this. Okay? So why don't we draw another big one? Do you remember how to do it? A plus sign, like that. And then an X, like that. A circle in the middle. You could have started with the circle if you wanted to. And remember, a plus sign on the end of each of these lines. And through the plus sign, an X. Okay? Oh, that one looks funny. I'm going to fix that one. Here. And then some V's. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, like that, okay? Or we can do it 2 on this one, and 1 on this one. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1. And there's another snowflake. So I'm going to do another, let's see, I'll do a big one up here, but not as big as that, but this type. So a cross, or a plus sign, and an X through it. Plus sign on the top. And an X through the plus sign. I think you're getting the hang of it now, right? And this little one, we might not be able to put 2 V's, but we'll see. Let's see if we can put 2 V's. I think we can if we make them small. Ooh, this is going to be tight. And 1 on these. There. Now I'm going to make a little one, I think, with just a small X. Dot in the middle. Oh, we forgot to put the dot there. Dot in the middle. Circle in the middle, I should say. So we put the circle in the middle here. Circle at the ends. And some V's. There we go. What do you guys think? Which ones do you like the best? I like the big ones. Big plus, X, circle in the middle, plus signs, X through the plus, two V's, 1 V, 2 V's, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. So those are our snowflakes. Now you can make these as big or as small as you want. You can make a ton of them if you want. Why don't we just take a little bit of blue and we'll just draw a little bit of snow under our snowman here. There we go. So this is a cute little winter drawing, snowflakes. Now I'm going to sign my work. I want you to always sign your work. Be really, really proud of the work of art that you just created. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, my friends, and we'll see you next time on Christmas Party. Thanks for watching. Bye.